To update your site branding, you can navigate to Site Admin. On the Site Branding page, you can update your site's theme settings and homepage layout. In Theme Settings, you can update the general branding of your site. You can add a site logo. This is the image that will be displayed in the top navigation panel of your site. To add your logo, you can simply drag and drop your image into the file upload area. You can also add a custom favicon for your site. This is the icon that will be associated with your website and will be displayed next to your site name in the address bar of the browser. The favicon image needs to be in .ico format. There are various online tools that you can use to generate a favicon image for free. You can see our support guides for suggestions. Once you're ready, you can drag and drop your file into the upload area. Finally, you can update the accent color for your site. You can use the color selector, or for increased specificity, you can add the color code to the provided text box. Then, once you save your changes, your branding will be applied to your site. In the Front Page tab, you can update the branding of your site's login and home page. By default, a course instructor's profile image is shown on the course card. By disabling the teacher's picture, you can hide this image. You can add a custom header image for your site's login page. To do this, simply drag and drop your image into the upload area. Additionally, you can display marketing boxes on your login page. This will enable up to 4 marketing boxes to which you can add images, headings and subheadings, as well as marketing content and relevant links. The images, text, and links you would like to display can be added to the relevant input fields for each marketing box. Finally, you can enable a slideshow at the top of your site's homepage. You can also choose to display this slideshow on your site's login page. The slider count allows you to specify the number of slides you would like to include. Once you have updated the slider count, you will need to save changes in order to enable the input fields for additional slides. You can then drag and drop your images into the upload area and, optionally, give each slide a title and caption. In the Footer tab, you can customize your site's footer. You can add custom footer text and include relevant details like your organization's website, contact details, and social media links. Once you've saved your changes, the information you've included will be applied to your site's interactive footer. Finally, in the Custom CSS tab, you can apply more advanced styling customizations to your site. This will, however, require some experience using CSS or the help of a developer.